Welcome to another ECS Tuning Easy DIY. Today we are replacing this cabin air filter on this Volkswagen Tiguan. Today we are using a Hengst charcoal activated filter, and the owner of this vehicle is especially susceptible to allergens, so we are opting for the blue version of the Hengst charcoal activated filter, and this blue membrane is zinc activated, so it helps act as an antimicrobial. Install is very easy. We won't need any tools, and it'll take about 2 minutes. We're going to be working in the glove box on the passenger side of this Tiguan to get to the cabin air filter. We're just going to open the glove box, and then there are 2 tabs here that are holding the glove box up. We're going to lift up and let it slowly come down. This is your little dampener here. That's just going to pull out, and now we have access to everything we need up under here. So we're going to push down on these top tabs, 3 in a row, and slowly pry it open. And that comes out there. It's important to note the direction of airflow here. Top, airflow. The owner of this vehicle just got it and hasn't changed the filter yet. This isn't the worst one we've ever seen, but this is definitely well past what you should be changing them at. Again, I like to change mine about every 2nd or 3rd oil change depending on usage. For comparison, you can see how very clean a brand new filter is. And of course, the blue zinc layer. Nothing much to show here, but it's cool that it's blue. Just remember, as we go back to install this, the fresh filter, you need to have the arrows flowing down because it's sucking the air out from the outside and sucking it through this way. The cover is just going to snap back in, and we are going to align these tangs here on those tabs. Voila! Last step is to go ahead and attach the dampener there. And then as you're lifting up, just help these tabs come up over the glove box so that you aren't forcing everything. And there we go. That's a filter installed. That's it for our cabin filter DIY on this Volkswagen Tiguan. Please like and subscribe for more sweet car content.